How's it going, everybody? We're back for another tutorial. Today it's about StreamLabs, getting your subscriber alerts, donation alerts, super chat alerts, that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's using StreamLabs, free thing. You just log in with your Google account and it'll connect to your YouTube account so it knows whenever somebody subscribes. This is done by OBS, StreamLabs OBS. So yeah, it's pretty darn cool. So let's get into it. Alright, so once you log in, you'll go to streamlabs.com, link will be in the description, and then you log in with your Google account, and then it'll bring you to here, and then you go widgets, you're going to go alert box. Once you're here, you're going to scroll down, and you can turn on you can turn these on and off. Then the main thing that you're going to want to do is go subscribers. Like, this is just the tutorial. This is what I have right now. I have this guy waves, and then I have it say name just subscribed, and I have the text, it'll pulse right now. I thought I had a spot where I could see the text doing that. Apparently not. But yeah, oh, it just switched. I don't know why it switched. That's the automatic thing. Oh, that's for donations, that's why. Go member or subscribers. That's what I have it. I don't have it for donations or anything else yet because I haven't gotten in there. But you can change the layout. You can fade in, fade out. You can do that. You can have that. Put in a GIF here. Your sound. So it's really simple, actually. But then I'm gonna go down here and open up my OBS here. I'm actually gonna bring it up to this workspace. Bring this over here, and then if I push test subscriber, watch over here. Da-da-da. It did a sound. I don't know if you guys heard it. Let me see if... Yeah, the sound doesn't go through, but it is da-da-da. And then it does that. So yeah, you can do whatever you want with this. I just want to do a tutorial because, I don't know, I felt like doing it. Something that's really cool. So yeah, there you go. Tutorial. Another one. And I know this was a really short tutorial, but it's a really short thing and really easy. But not a lot of people really know about it, I don't think. I mean, there are a lot of professionals that know about it, but for you new people like me, this is pretty cool. Having something like this to get people to want to subscribe is pretty darn cool. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next episode. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. If I ever do a live stream and you want to see this pop up, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.